I was not thinking to make this video, to be very frank, but I had to make this video, and you see what's in front of me. A bag, drone, 2 batteries, a charger, charging cable, we got a phone mount. Now the thing is that why did I make this video? Because everybody was complaining that this tiny bag is not big enough to get the Mavic 2 Zoom or the Mavic 2 Pro inside this bag. At first, welcome guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and today we are going to show you how to pack everything up that you see right now into this tiny bag. Okay, now let's go ahead and begin packing everything up. So at first, when you open up the drone, you will see that the space is not much, right? So the first things that you guys need to do is that you need to take these 2 batteries, put it on the opposite side like this, okay, so that the pins do not connect, and then insert the battery like this. So that's how you see that the 2 batteries are. The second thing what we are going to do is we are going to take this flap and put this flap like this. So that's done. Third thing, your drone should be going like this, okay, like this. So we're going to put the drone into the back in this way. It's going to be a little bit snug, but that's how far it can go. The next thing, you're going to take this, put it this way, and your charger or your charging pack like this, with this one going inside in this position. Okay, you can take this thing out, so we'll be keeping this thing out, and then comes the controller part. So at first, in the controller, you take out the knobs and put this thing inside. The joysticks goes in, it backs in like this, folds up, and then you put the controller out here, right? And you still have got a lot of space, because the front pouch you can put all of your props or your propellers, and after that you just close this thing like this, and then take your tablet mount, put it on this side, and take this thing, put it on the other side, put it on the other side, close this, and you're done. The Mavic 2 bag was not big enough to fit all of your stuff. So put everything up, hang your bag, and you're ready to go for some footage.